Good day! Winter is finally here, at least in Europe. That's why it's time to prepare the survival kit and change car tires if they're worn out, or for some strange reasons you are still using summer tires. Here in Latvia, cars must be equipped with winter tires from 1st of December till at least 1st of March. Studded tires are allowed from October 1st to May 1st. The minimum tread depth for winter tires is 4 mm, and for summer tires, the minimum is 1.6. Write in the comments section from which country you are from, and what are the rules for car tires in your country. Recently, I bought a tire tread depth gauge tool from Aliexpress. It's the most convenient way to measure the remaining tread depth. The device is very simple to use. Even your older sister will be able to use it like a professional, because there are only 2 buttons. The measurement itself is simple. Reach the 0 position with the 0 button against the straight surface. Then perform the measurement in several places of the tread by pressing out the measuring needle. And now we can see a number that will ruin your mood at the beginning of the winter. Remaining tread is below 4 mm. This means that my old Michelin ALPIN 5 are out of date, and I'll have to use my sacred funds once again. I have a slight hope that I don't know how to measure the remaining tread depth of tires. That's why let's try again. We reset our tool and repeat the measurements. The numbers show bad news. The tires have worn out. Let's also measure the front tires, which certainly are in a worse condition. And I was right. Yikes. No wonder they were sliding so easily. Hopefully this short video on how to use a digital tire depth gauge tread meter will come in handy for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support us during these fun spending times right before Christmas. Happy holidays and see ya!